Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you're living in a European country and you use as a mobile network, a Lebara mobile network, and your SIM is an eSIM. So in this video, we will see how to convert your eSIM to physical. Very simple process and how much charge we need to pay. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start on my Mac screen, and this SIM conversion I will provide you in Denmark. Same things you should apply in UK and other country as well. First of all, I open Google, type here Lebara, enter. So as a conversation point of view, you need to enter your account. You have already account for Lebara platform or application as well. Most of this feature is not available on application, so you need to use always laptop screen. So after adding username, password, after entering the account, here is the Lebara related information. I am converting this SIM in Denmark, so that's why the DKK is showing me. I just simply click here in the account, and here the SIM replacement option is available. If you click here, select the number. After selecting here, the option is available which SIM type you would like to convert. So I select here the plastic SIM. It means eSIM to physical SIM you need to convert here, and reason select here. My SIM card doesn't fit my new iPhone. That's it, and we can select here continue. So look at this here, we will send you SIM with the same number within 5 working days. Only SIM fit all Lebara triple devices. So yeah, I just simply select here and the confirm. This is my name. I just simply say continue, and look at this here. Here the mobile number is coming, SIM replacement, and you need to provide 49 Danish krona for the replacement perspective. So I just simply select payment method. I always use in my PayPal account, and order is successfully done. So this is the simple process to convert your eSIM to physical SIM in Lebara network. And within 3 to 5 days, I am receiving physical SIM. After I am adding the physical SIM to my smartphone, so automatically my eSIM network is disabled and activate as a physical network. So this is the simple process. If you have any question related on this SIM conversion, SIM convert eSIM to physical SIM, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.